Centrifugation. Centrifugation is the process is used to separate or concentrate a material suspended in a liquid media. The theoretical basis of this technique is the effect gravity on particle is suspension. The two particles of different masses will be selected in the tube at different rates in the response to gravity. Centrifugation is a process which is involved used to the centrifugation force for sedimentation of heterogeneous mixture with a centrifuge used in industrial and laboratory settings. This process is used to separate the two immiscible liquids. More density components of mixture of migrating away from the axis of the centrifuge will less density components of mixture migrate towards the axis. Principle: a centrifuge is device for the separate the particle from the solution according to their size, shape, density, viscosity of the medium and rotate speed. In the solution, particles whose density is higher than that of the solvent sink, and particles that are lighter than it float to top. The greater the difference in the density, the faster they move. If they are in the number of difference in the density, the particles stay steady. To take advantages, even thin difference in the density to separate the various particles in the solution, gravity can be replaced with a much more powerful centrifugation force provided centrifuge. See here, the sample is taken and the test tube is placed in the centrifuge straining motor, and sample is stamped into in the high speed centrifugation force, and here we will see the tube and metal bulk is seen, and composition of the separating based on the density. Next, centrifuge. A centrifuge is piece of equipment that puts an object in the rotation around the fixed axis, applying a potential strong force perpendicular to axis of the spin. The centrifuge works using sedimentation principle, where the centrifugal accelerator causes the denser substance and particle to move outward in the radical direction. At the same time, objects that are less density are displayed and move to the center. In the laboratory, centrifuge that uses to sample tubes. The radical accelerator causes the denser particles to settle to bottom of the tube, while the low density substance rises to top. It consists of a two components, an electrical motor to spin the sample and rotator to hold the tube. Ultracentrifugation. Sabine coined the term of ultracentrifugation. He was coined, and chemistry he is used the ultracentrifugation to determine the MR and subunit structure of the hemoglobin. Study way which is changed the subunit structure of the hemoglobin. Study the which change the ideas conserving the structure of the proteins. The first commercial ultracentrifugation was produced in the 1940 by Spinco, an important tool in the biochemical research in the centrifuge, which is through rapid spinning imposes high centrifugal forces on suspended particles or even molecules in the solution and causes the separation of the such a matter on basics ultracentrifugation of difference in the weight. Example, red cells are may separated from the plasma, blood nucleus from the mitochondria in the hemoglobinate, and one protein from the another complex. Applications in water treatment separate the solid substance from the highly concentrated substrations and substrations of highly particle and large size granules by cloning, and separation of the only concentrated slowly, and separation of only suspension with a loss of content, and separation chalk powder from water, removing fat from the milk to produce the skimmed milk, separating textiles.